Hello and good morning. Thank you for taking the time to view this video. Today is the 24th of May, and as of right now, the stock market, as measured by the S&P 500, is down 19.2%, and the NASDAQ, the tech-heavy NASDAQ, is down 31.1%. So I wanted to just address a lot of the common concerns that I've been having with clients and prospective clients just about the market. Well, first of all, if you are our client and you are already in retirement, I have already reviewed your portfolio. It was built for this. We expect downturns from time to time, and you are fine. If you would like for us to go through your portfolio and your retirement plan individually, I'm happy to do that. But I have ran it and we built it for downturns. So don't worry, continue as you were before. Now, if you are still saving for retirement, now's the time. We don't get these opportunities very often, but if you have money to invest in the market, now is going to be a great time long term to make those investments. It may not look like a great time in the next 3 or 4 or 5 weeks, 6 months even, but 5 years from now, you're going to wish you would have put more money in these great companies at these current prices. Now, with that, this is one of the 2 sayings I want to make sure that you hear today. It's better to be approximately right than precisely wrong. And what I mean by that is, I don't know if we're at the bottom. Chances are we're not. But it's a great time to buy. And if you bought great companies at cheaper prices today, then you'd be approximately right. And long term, your portfolio will thank you. So, it's been challenging. I do think that we are in a recession. A recession, by definition, is 2 consecutive quarters of negative GDP growth, and we already got one in the first quarter of 2022. I think that we'll probably have negative growth this quarter, and that will officially be announced I think in July. However, I also think that this will be a very shallow and very short recession. Okay, so recessions are normal, they happen on the regular. And I think we're in the middle of one right now. Typically, recessionary times provide us a great opportunity to buy. So that brings me to the second thing that I want to make sure you hear today. Wealth is created in down markets. However, it is not realized until up markets. We all love it when our portfolio is setting all brand new all-time highs, and your portfolio will again set brand new all-time highs in the future. However, if you have money to invest, I'm saying it again, now's the time to do that. Personally, my wife and I, over the last month, we've gone through our budget, we've looked at our travel, we've looked at things that we could cut out, and we scraped our pennies together, and I've been putting that money to work. I know some of you sit on cash, a lot of it. Now might be a time to sit down with a pen and paper and say, how much cash do you really need and how much can you afford to invest? Now, some of you have seen me recently and saw that I had longer hair. Anyone who's watching this is seeing me with the longest hair I've ever had in my life. I decided a few months ago that I was inspired by some social media posts, people donating their hair to charities that create wigs for cancer survivors or cancer battlers, and I thought that's something that I could do. I've got a lot of hair, as you can see, and it doesn't take any effort. Matter of fact, it takes less effort than what I was doing before, which is cutting my hair. So I am trying my hardest, and it's a challenge literally every day to put up with it. But I need 7.5 inches roughly, and then I'll chop it all off and donate it. So Also, just a little update, just had a bout of COVID. We finally got that in my household. As best I can tell, everyone has had it now except for me, and I attribute that to me adamantly refusing to get sick. That and I kind of lock myself in my office and work. So everyone's healthy though. It's really just one day of fever and then they're just tired. So things are good. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thank you very much for your business. I look forward to speaking with all of you soon.